This is video 3 for week 8, and we'll look at slides 10, 11, 12, and probably 13 in this video. So the opposite of asynchronous is synchronous support. So this is support that you might offer at a face-to-face IT help desk, like at the Learning Commons at Durham College, where you can go into the Learning Commons and speak to someone. Or it could be a telephone, or it could be telephone support, or it could be like a virtual chat support. And when you're at a help desk, what you want to do is when your client comes in to ask for some help, you want to make sure that they know they're in the right place, okay, and what kinds of services are available. They're asking the right person. Make sure they feel welcome, you're available. Okay, stop what you're doing, you make eye contact, quit typing, turn your screen away. You initiate contact, so they might say hi, and you don't just keep looking at your computer. You smile and you say, hi, how are you today? And what can I help you with? And then you conduct some kind of an interview so that you confirm that you understand exactly what they want, the format that they want, how the resource is going to be used to help them, what they've already done. So you're not wasting their time, okay? And you provide the best answer possible. You're going to ask them lots of open questions. So we're avoiding that 20 questions game, that party game where you say, person, place, or thing. It's a person. Are they alive or dead? Dead. Are they real or imaginary? You know, we don't want to play that game. Nobody likes that at the help desk. And you make sure then by the end of that interview that you already know these things. So I'm going to give you access here in DC Connect. You'll see these posted. There's something called Evaluating VR Transcripts. And during our MS Teams meeting, I'm going to get you to work with a partner to look at some of these transcripts and identify what the librarian, because they're librarian transcripts, what the librarians did well and what they did maybe not so well in their help desk interview and finding a solution for their patron. Okay, so that concludes video 3, covering slides 9 to 13.